right, so we are doing lesson 1 for the week of April 14th through 17th. The first assignment is Best Buds. It says to do a CSPS chart, so obviously I know that this is going to be literary. Best Buds. So what do you think it's going to be about? Well, I think we've kind of seen this one before, but I'm not sure. I've seen it somewhere. But anyway, I think it's going to be about friends. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to hashtag my 2 paragraphs. And then I'm going to do a CSPS. Let me see. I don't have room here, so I'll do it on a separate piece of paper. That's fine. I don't know if I have room anywhere else. No, we'll have to do it on a separate sheet of paper, but that's okay. All right, so I'm going to read it. We're going to hashtag it. I'm going to read you the questions and do the strategies with you, but you'll have to answer it, and then I'll read your exit ticket also. Augustine and I have been friends for practically our entire lives. Every day at recess, we sprint to the football field to toss around the ball with the other boys. I never felt our friendship was threatened before, that is, not until last week. Okay, so best friend, I'm going to say BFF Augustine. And it's kind of hard to see there, but his name is right there, so you can copy it. Bobby was the new kid at school, and I know it sounds ridiculous, but I was concerned because Augustine and Bobby seemed to be getting pretty tight. Augustine even invited him to play with us every day. I don't know why it bothered me so much, but it did. Yesterday, I even found myself being a little rough on Bobby during the game. I think Augustine noticed because he invited me, just me, to bowl with him and his family tonight. I decided to go try and preserve our friendship and make up for how badly I had acted. When I look back on the whole situation, I guess I was jealous. I knew in my heart we were best buds, but I let my mind play tricks on me. So I'm just going to put jealous. Hashtag jealous. Okay, so that was really easy. I'm going to grab a piece of paper. I just so happen to have one here because I'm prepared. I'm going to write best buds. I'm going to split it up into my 4 sections. I'm going to write my C. Make sure you guys can see it. S, P, S. All right, now my characters are Augustine and the narrator. And the setting, it looks like it's at school recess. Even more specific, you could put football field. Okay, but I don't need it that specific, so I'm okay. My problem is narrator is jealous of new boy. Of new kid, new boy, whatever you want to put. And the solution is he realizes that he's just being jealous. Okay, now when you go to do your summary, which you do need to do, I'm going to grab another pen out of here. Maybe. Okay. This will be your first paragraph right here. This will be your second paragraph, and then this is your last paragraph. I'm not going to do the summary with you. You guys can do that part on your own. All right, so I'm going to go back now. I'm going to use my different color pen, and I'm going to do the 2 questions, and I'll see if I can help you with the strategies. Which sentence best reveals the narrator's view? So this is the one that wrote the story of his relationship with Bobby. So he has his best friend is Augustine. He's jealous of Bobby, right? So I'm just going to put that as a note. Jealous. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Of Bobby. Okay? So I need to find an answer choice that shows which one is jealous of Bobby. A, every day at recess, we sprint to the football field and toss around the ball with the other boys. If that is jealous of Bobby, then that would be my answer choice. B, Augustine and I have been best friends for practically our entire lives. C, when I look back on the whole situation, I guess I was jealous. D, I knew in my heart we were best buds, but I let my mind play tricks on me. So you want to find the one that talks about being jealous. I think I kind of gave you the answer there. All right, number 2, look at the dictionary entry. This is one of those that you don't have to go get the dictionary. Everything's right here that you need. Preserve, verb. 1, to keep, save, or protect. 2, to prepare food for future use. 3, to free from decay. 4, to reserve for special use. Which definition best fits the way the word preserve is used in the selection? So I'm going to underline it. I don't need to rewrite it because it's all on the same page. If this was a longer passage, then I would want to rewrite the sentences found in, but I don't really need to because it's right here. I decided to preserve our friendship and make up for how badly I'd acted. I'm going to put Q2 by that. It's in paragraph 2. This one was kind of the whole story, number 1, so that's why I didn't really underline anything. Which definition best fits the way the word preserve is used in the selection? So I like to go back and fit those in. I decided to try to keep, safe, or protect our friendship. I decided to go to try to prepare food for future use, our friendship. I decided to try to free from decay, our friendship. Or I decided to reserve for special use, our friendship. That one should be pretty easy for you to figure out, but that's how you work those. All right, let's go on to the exit ticket. What caused the narrator in the passage above to become jealous? Write incomplete sentences and use text evidence. So I'm going to start you with a complete sentence so that you can finish. The narrator became jealous when, and then you finish it. And that's it. That was pretty easy. So that was lesson 1.